More than 50% of women in India are suffering with anemia or iron deficiency. Apart from malnutrition, our cookware also plays a very important role in this deficiency disease. If we start cooking in iron vessels, we will get 50% of our iron requirement. But the problem with iron cookware is its maintenance. In this video, I will tell you how easily we can maintain iron cookwares at home with the simple tips and tricks. A well-seasoned iron cookware is the safest non-stick cookware as it does not release any toxins into the food. When you get a new iron pan, do not forget to put it through a good round of seasoning so that it becomes non-stick. Seasoning here doesn't mean putting some salt or spices, but making sure to protect it from the rust, as these are made up of iron and iron is highly reactive metal. It tends to get rusted in humid air alone. So let me show you step-by-step process of seasoning your iron or cast iron pans. First of all, we need to wash it properly. Scrub away all the rust from your pans and wash it properly. Make sure you dry out even the last drop of the water from it. Put it on a stove top, wipe it properly, put some drops of oil. Now this is called seasoning. Wipe the oil all over the iron pan so that it absorbs this oil and forms a thin layer, very thin layer. All the extra oil from this pan should be wiped off. You can use any oil for seasoning, but make sure to rub off the extra oil from the pan. While this is getting done, I'll show you how to season this cast iron pan. You can see there is a lot of rust. Remove all the rust, scrub it off properly, wash it properly and dry it in the same way I showed while doing the iron pan. There is a lot of difference between simple iron and cast iron pan. You can do a lot of things in this cast iron pan, including baking also. This is heavy duty and a very long lasting pan. This is my favorite cookware in the kitchen. Now wipe off all the water from the pan as shown in the normal iron pan and season it with oil. Traditionally, these things are done, or I can say technically, these pans are heated in ovens for an even heating and for setting the oil as a non-stick coating. Since most of these pans are pre-seasoned, so we do not need to do that. Once the pan starts to throw this smoke, put the stove off. Do not touch the pan, it's very hot. This process will take at least 10 minutes. But you don't have to do it every time. Once you use it again and again, it will become more non-stick and it will become more friendly with you. This pan has replaced my pressure cooker, oven and whatnot. Now when it is cooled down, store it and you can use it again. If you liked the video, please do consider subscribing to the channel and sharing it with your friends.